love my Ina, and I'm still here with my husband, Donald, si Daddy DJ. This is my second video and uploaded.
The second video, third, fourth, fifth.
7 pa lang, ay second pa lang. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Follow me for more.
And share your blessing. Donate any kind of monetary benefits.
Please
In
like
cash
and
or donation.
subscribe my channel.
Meron din po siyang Gcash. Kung gusto niyo naman.
Seryoso, video ko to.
Gcash.
So, biyahe pa rin kami ngayon. Nandito pa rin kami. Nasa Batangas pa rin kami. So, i-video ko yung i-vlog ko yung aming pag-uwi ngayong araw na to. Aming travel. I do love travel. Pero sa mga dito lang. Dito lang sa Bicol. Basta maraming panggas yan kasi pang travel. At maraming so welcome nga po, as I said, we're best friends. Hindi kami pala best friends, we're friends, classmates kami when we were in elementary. Grade 2 pa lang mag-classmate na kami. I will tell you about our past our life story. Elementary mag-classmate ko ng grade 2.
Since 1987.
Talaga? Ayun, 1987. Ba? 87 yan, 87 date.
Until 1992.
Ano pa lang mga, bata pa lang naman kami. Bata pa naman. Lola na ako siya, lola na ako, bata pa lang ako, lola na po ako ngayon, lola na ako. Ayun. Tapos ngayon po, mag-isaw na ba kami kinasal kami nung 2016. So, late na rin. Hindi kami pinalad magkaanak, pero hoping pa rin. The blessing, Lord. Please like and subscribe my channel.